All right, Unit 6, Hair and Fiber, Section 3, Introduction to Fibers, a relatively shorter video this time. All right, a couple things about fibers. In general, fibers are going to be considered class evidence, which, as you know, means that those are not going to be traceable to one specific unique source in most cases. They do have probative value, though. As you know, in general, just class evidence is able to help narrow a field of suspects. They are extremely common, almost as common as hair at a crime scene. Fibers are regularly falling off, clothing and being transferred, especially if it's a violent crime. A lot of fibers can be transferred in contact. And we can look at both the physical and the chemical properties of a fiber to determine some of its unique characteristics. Fabric itself, so we're going to use two terms here. We're going to be talking about fabric, we're going to be talking about fibers. Fibers are made of filaments. Okay, so fabric, fibers, filaments. Filaments are going to be the smallest pieces. Those are twisted and wound together to create fibers. Fibers are woven together to create fabric. Different fabrics and fibers, there are two different types. You have natural products, which are going to be animal, vegetable, or natural inorganic compounds. And then, obviously, the opposite then is artificial, which is going to be some kind of synthetic or altered natural resources. So we are going to go through those more in depth, but two general categories of fabric or fiber, natural and artificial, and then the subcategorizations, animal, vegetable, inorganic, and then synthesized. So the synthetic fibers, okay, some examples: rayon, nylon, acetate, acrylic, spandex, which is a crime, and polyester. And then the natural products are going to be silk, cotton, wool, mohair, cashmere. Cotton coming from a plant, silk coming from animal byproduct, produced by an animal. Wool is actually part of an animal, the fur. So lots of different sources there for natural fibers. The synthetic ones then again are going to be very altered. And that is all for this one. Told you it was short.